In this video, we'll generate our image. I'm going to take this prompt, literally, just copy it, come to Higgsfield website, go to image, create an image, and I'm going to put our prompt here, and I'm going to select Nano Banana Pro. And what we can actually do is, let's say we generate a character, and this is actually a picture of me. So for example, this is like a character of me that I generated, and I can click here, for example, to use for reference, and then it will create like me in the video, like it did here. But if we don't reference, it's just going to generate things from scratch. Let's go ahead and generate from scratch. I'm going to click and generate, and then let's also do one with the reference of me. So I'm just going to click here, and then you can see the pop-up that we are referencing that image, and then click on generate as well. So it's going to take some time to do the generation, and because I'm using the unlimited, sometimes it doesn't do it right away. It needs a bit more time because like the free version, but then if I unclick unlimited, it's going to cost a little bit of credits, but it's going to be done a little bit faster. But as you can see, this one is in the process. Now, I've experimented with different models. As I said before, Nano Banana works pretty well, and you can actually just go ahead and ask ChatGPT the difference between all the different models. Some models have some advantages and disadvantages. Some are better in terms of the video, for example, with like lip syncing, with speech, the other ones with like realism. So depending on the model, we have different results. So let's wait until we see what we get here. Okay, so this is me in the AI world, and this is without reference of me. Based on the description, you can see the scene is very similar, but then the details are slightly different. So we can actually animate both. Okay, let's see which one we like more. Well, I actually prefer this guy a little bit more. I think he blends in a little bit better. I stand out too much from the background, as if I was put there with Photoshop, but this guy, it seems like fits there a little bit better. Let's jump into the next video, and I'll show you how to turn this into a video.